what I've just finished is the final sanding. Now I'm going to clean it up and make sure there's no water. I'm going to take the front end off so that when I spray the new UV protecting clear coat on, I won't get any out across the car. The UV coating that we use is photo initiated, so as soon as I shoot it, I let it level off a little bit and then I fix it with my ultraviolet lamp, which makes the car usable immediately. And hopefully the outcome will be a process that reveals a lens that is pretty much factory perfect.